Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you everyday Lithuanian phrases. We're going to start with surprise reactions. Wow, oho, oho, really, tikrai, tikrai, excellent, great, puiku, puiku, amazing, nuostabu, nuostabu. Wow, how beautiful. Oho, kaip gražu. Oho, kaip gražu. Wow, this is very expensive. Oho, tai labai brangu. Oho, tai labai brangu. How to express disbelief? Are you serious? Tu rimtai? Tu rimtai? I can't believe it. Negaliu patikėti. Negaliu patikėti. Are you joking? Tu gal juokauji? Tu gal juokauji? Are you crazy? Have you lost your mind? Ar išprotėjai? Ar išprotėjai? Here are some phrases if you like to agree with someone or express your understanding. Okay, alright. Gerai. Gerai. A more casual phrase would be na gerai. And even more casual would be nu gerai. Nu gerai. I understood. Supratau. Supratau. Of course. Žinoma. Žinoma. That's correct. Teisingai. Teisingai. If you like to encourage someone, you could use these sentences. Excellent. Great. Puiku. Puiku. Very good. Labai gerai. Labai gerai. Good job. To male. Šaunuolis. Šaunuolis. Good job. To female. Šaunuolė. Šaunuolė. You can do it. Tu gali. Or you could also say tu tai gali. Tu tai gali.